How to add subtasks in Airtable. In this video, I'll show you how to add subtasks in Airtable. So to get started, go ahead and open Airtable and then create two tables on Airtable. So the first table will serve as your main task and the second table will serve as the subtask. And then in here, go ahead and create the fields like task name, status, due date, and whichever fields do you want to incorporate into the section. So that is actually created on the main task section. So go ahead and customize this first before you proceed on the second table or the subtask section. Once you're done here, go ahead and head over into the subtask table. And then in here, go ahead and create fields such as subtask name, assigned to, status, and due date. Now, once you have incorporated that, go ahead and proceed with adding another field such as a link to another record field that connects each subtask to its parent task, which would be found on the table 1 or the main table or the main task table. So in here, you can go ahead and add the lookup fields and then click on this add button to add that to your subtask table. So use the lookup fields in the task table to pull in subtask statuses or due dates. Add views and filters to show subtask group by task or assignee. And that is how you can basically add subtasks in Airtable. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.